This is a tour of room 26214 in Park MGM in Las Vegas. So coming into the room, it's one of those very nice sharp red rooms, quite large and spacious. And over here to the right is a big massive door, and on the right hand side of it is the bathroom. Now I always find the bathrooms in these rooms to be a tad small, and you can see it's just one sink in the vanity area. Over here you have the towels and all your amenities and whatever else, a toilet to do toilet things in, and over here is the shower. Now the shower is quite small in comparison to some Vegas hotel rooms, but it's pretty decent. The pressure was good enough, it's nice and clean, very red and vibrant. So coming back into the main area of the room, like I said, it's quite spacious, and I do like the space you get even for these budget rooms in Park MGM. Big full-size mirror, tiny little mini bar, which you should never ever get anything off unless you're made of money. And this is the 2-queen room, so obviously we have 2 queen beds, and they are very comfortable. I always find the MGM beds to be more comfortable than beds in Caesars properties. Over here we have a couple of outlets, and we have a phone, a pen and a little pad, and 2 lamps that you can easily turn off. Nice artwork on the wall as well. And turn around here, we have the big TV on the wall, and the cable that kind of runs up at the side onto the ceiling, which is a bit weird. We have some more TV stuff there, and outlets, and a table and a chair, so you can bring your food back. Like I said, I'm not sure why the wire always has to be sticking out there for the lamp. Very odd. A full-size settee or couch, whatever you want to call it. And the view I have is of the Strip. So it's kind of looking southbound. You can just see the airport in the distance, and a full view of MGM Grand. And just to the right, you have New York, New York. So in general, the room I think is very nice, and it's definitely one of the more budget-friendly rooms on a higher scale in Vegas. So if you're on a budget-friendly trip, then definitely consider staying at Park MGM.